Hello, Soul Tribe. Welcome to Soul Tribe PH. It's me, Anna, your certified international life coach and tarot and oracle card reader. So, if you want to avail my services, tarot reading, or coaching, kindly go to my website www.anasantiago.coach. And please do follow me on all my social media platforms: Instagram, Facebook page, and TikTok, and also here in YouTube. Hello, Soul Tribe. Welcome back to my channel, Soul Tribe PH. It's me, Anna, your love and relationship mentor, intuitive life coach, a tarot and oracle card reader, and now a podcast host. For this particular video, we will be having our monthly zodiac sign reading for the month of June. This is for my dear Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Ascendant, Venus. For those who haven't generated their natal birth chart, I suggest you generate yours. Kindly go to the description section. I get there a link that can help you generate your natal birth chart. It just need your date of birth, time of birth, and also the exact location where you were born. And if you happen to have Sagittarius as your rising slash ascendant sign, then this is your reading. Kasi based on an article na nabasa ko, it's best for us to look into our rising slash ascendant sign for accurate readings. So without further ado, my dear Sagittarius, let's proceed on getting to know your angel number. Might be this or the angel number that you had been recently. At maaring there is a message for you here. Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors, kindly give me the angel number for my dear Sagittarius. So we have 1, 6, 4, and 12. I'm going to make this as a 3. So kindly go to Google search engine, search angel number 1643. So might be there is a message for you there, my dear Sagittarius. 1643. You might be seeing a lot of 11, 111, 11, 11, 16, 16, 66, 666, 44, 44, 12, 12, 222, 22, and 33, 33. So many numbers. So maaring this is the angel number that you had been seeing recently, and there is a message for you that needs your attention, my dear Sagittarius. So let's now proceed with your reading. So before I proceed with the 3 card spread that is in the teaser, kung nanggaling kayo in the teaser from TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook page. So this is the overall energies, overall theme ng life mo for the month of June, my dear Sagittarius. Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors, this wanted to stick out, but so the overall energy for you this month of June, my dear Sagittarius, is we have here the Chariot. Your healing power, empathy, and ability to teach or learn remedy. So this month, it's all about healing, focusing on your healing, healing from certain traumas, wounds, issues that you had experienced, and that is the traumas and issues that is influencing how you handle situations in your life. So this kumbaga parang whatever you had experienced recently had triggered those certain traumas and issues, and this month it's all about healing. So healing from everything that you had experienced. Remember, everything happens for a reason. Nothing is a coincidence. It's either a blessing or a lesson for you to learn. So this month it's time for you to address what are the things that you needed to learn from every situation, opportunity, relationship, people that you had encountered, kung ano man yung brought about nila sa buhay mo. If you had been triggered by a certain situation, might be the reason why you had been triggered by the situation, kasi those are the things that you are neglecting or kumbaga dismissing, you are not facing. So kaya ka na-triggered, these are things that you needed to address and you needed to heal from. So with the 3 card spread, so in your energies that will be coming your way, is the Page of Wands. So this month, it's all about focusing on the things that needs your attention. As I've channeled with the overall energy, this is asking you to focus on what you needed to heal. So this is the time for you to address what are the certain traumas and issues that you needed to heal. Kasi the key to healthy relationships, it regardless kung anumang relationship yan, it can be friends, family, romantic, platonic, before you embark on a new relationship, new opportunity, you had to address what are the learnings that you had encountered from everything that you had experienced. So that is the reason why universe is telling you to focus on the now. Don't get fixated, don't get attached to the possible future or the outcome. Focus on the now. And also stop wanting to know the when. When will things happen? When will that reconciliation come? When will that the one come in my life. And also stop wanting kumaga to fix the past, because the past is already written. Tapos na yun, the only thing that you can do from the past is to take the insight, take the learnings, and apply the necessary changes in the now. Then the obstacles that you are needing to overcome is finding alignment towards yourself. Kasi nga, might be you are doing things that is not aligned to your highest good. So this is the time for you to contemplate what are the things that you needed to release, kasi we have here the Fool, wherein this is telling you it's time for you to step outside of your comfort zone, take the risk, take a leap of faith, remove the limitation that you're imposing yourself. Stop telling yourself that you are not worthy, not good enough, that not capable enough. Kasi you are your first soulmate. So, ang obstacle that you needed to overcome, my dear Sagittarius, is finding stability, security within yourself. Finding peace, harmony, balance within yourself. Kasi you are your first soulmate. You had to be the first one to like, love, respect, value, and accept the person that you are seeing in the mirror, which is you. Kasi you are doing things that is not aligned to your highest good. So you are doing these things to please other people. You are doing making certain decisions for other people's sake. So this is the time for you to choose yourself. It's time for you to come home to yourself, find the soulmate within you, because the love that you are looking for is found within you by the way that you will be loving yourself, valuing yourself, and respecting yourself. The happiness that you are looking for is found within you by the way that you will be grateful, thankful, contented of who you are, what you are, and what you currently have. And your first soulmate is you. You had to be the first one to like, love, respect, and accept the person that you are seeing in the mirror, which is you. Kasi how you are treating yourself, loving yourself, valuing yourself, and respecting yourself is how you're going to receive it from others, not the other way around. So this is the time for you to step outside of your comfort zone, remove the limitation that you're imposing yourself. Stop telling yourself that you are not worthy, not good enough, kasi you are the first one that needs to believe in your capabilities, your skills, and your talents. So what is the current energy of your career? Career, work life, partnership, business life. What is your current energy? Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors, what is the current energy of my dear Sagittarius work life, career? So, Two of Swords, you are conflicted. You might be overwhelmed by the certain situation. You don't see things clearly as of the moment. So, you are wanting to transcend. Gusto mo agad to skip to the good part. You wanted kumaga parang, blindly take actions without trying to assess the situation. You wanted things to happen right away with this certain energy. You are blindfolded. So it's time for you to see the bigger picture. Kasi you are quite overwhelmed. You wanted to do so many things, my dear Sagittarius. This is the time for you to step back, see the bigger picture on why things are currently happening in your career, your work life, your business, kung bakit nagkaroon ng delays, nagkaroon ng obstacles, nagkaroon ng challenges, nagkaroon ng setback. This is the time for you to reassess the certain things that happen, and it's time for you to make a choice, kasi you are the one that can get yourself out of the situation. For some of you, you are already struggling, and yet you are choosing to stay in the certain situation even though you are overwhelmed, even though you are drained. So kumaga parang you are choosing that would benefit other people. Kasi we have also nga dito with the Lovers in reverse, you are choosing to do things that is not aligned to your highest good. You are blinded by the kumaga fear, the doubts, the anxiety. You are resisting the certain change. Because for you to welcome change, the change that you want should start within you. What is the energies coming your way this month for your career, your work life, your business, my dear Sagittarius? Angel, Spirit, Universe. Okay, Chariot. So there would be progress. There would be movement. There would be travel for some, something related to travel. But for you to transcend this certain obstacle para magkaroon ng movement when it comes to your career, you had to make a choice. You need to remove the limitation that you are imposing yourself. You need to step outside of your comfort zone. Kasi for you to welcome change, the change that you want should start within you. So it's either you're going to leave a company for some of you. So minsan you are blinded na what if you're worrying about the unknown. So this is the time for you to remove the limitation that you're imposing yourself. Stop wanting to know the when and the how. Focus on the why. Why is everything happening? What is the reason why you are overwhelmed? What are the reasons? What are the patterns that you had been experiencing when it comes to your career? So it's time for you to choose the decision that would benefit you and that would bring you peace, harmony, balance within you. Okay, so that is the energy for your career, what you needed to do, and what is your current energy for your business life. For business life, for your abundance, for your financial situation. What is your current situation, my dear Sagittarius? What is the current situation of your finances? So, King of Swords, you are contemplating on certain things when it comes to your financial situation. Maaring nagkaroon ng delays. If you are a business owner, nagkaroon ng stagnancy when it comes to your financial gain, and also marami kang na-encounter na financial difficulty. This is the time for you to contemplate on things that is not aligned to your highest good. So, oras na para mag-isip, magnilay-nilay on how have you been handling your finances. Are you handling your finances out of fear of not being able to gain or to earn that money again? So this is the time for you to contemplate, sort out kung ano ba yung dapat mong gawin when it comes to your financial situation. What are the energies you will be welcoming with your finances, my dear Sagittarius? So, Eight of Cups. It's time for you to walk away from things, mindset that doesn't serve your highest good, things that are not aligned to your highest good. Again, if you wanted change when it comes to your career, your financial situation, with your love life, the change that you want should start within you. So, for example, if you wanted to be financially free, financially independent, ano yung kailangan mong gawin? What do you needed to do? The change that you want should start within you by changing the way that you think, changing the way that you see money, changing the way that you handle your money, your finances. So, try to focus on earning money or having a secretary when it comes to financial situation instead of thinking of what you will be spending. Think of how you will be earning money. So this is the time for you to to welcome change. Kasi for you to welcome that, kailangan mong iwanan yung old mindset, scarcity mindset that you have, my dear Sagittarius. So this is the thing that you needed to contemplate. So contemplate on that, then you need to leave that certain mindset, habit behind. So yung mga practices, behavior mo when it comes to handling your finances. So when it comes to your love life relationship, when we say love life relationship, it regardless if this is a relationship with a husband or wife or boyfriend or a girlfriend, it's either your relationship to yourself. Kasi ang first soulmate mo ay ikaw. Your relationship with yourself reflects how you are how you are treated by other people around you. So let's see what is your current energy, current situation with your relationships, with yourself, with people around you, and uh, friends, family. What is the energies of your relationship, angel, spirit, universe, ancestors? So, Nine of Swords, you are acting of fear, doubts, anxiety. So, you fear that you are not worthy, not good enough, not capable enough. So this is the certain energy that you're at, my dear Sagittarius. So you are fearing na hindi ka maganda, hindi ka kaaya-aya. So fear that people will be abandoning you, people will be leaving you behind. So again, be mindful what you think, what you imagine, what you visualize, and what you speak. Kasi that becomes your reality. Kasi we are the creator of our reality, my dear Sagittarius. So what are the energies coming your way with your relationship? What are the energies coming for your relationship? So death or rebirth. So kailangan mong remove yung mindset na ito. You need to release and let go of things, situation, relationship, and people that serves you no good. So meaning to say, if this certain situation, relationship ay hindi na nakakabuti sa'yo, it's not serving your highest good, this is best for you to contemplate that it's time for you to release and let go of that relationship, that partner. Kasi the key to healthy relationship is not only establishing and fixing the relationship around us, it's also having that kind of relationship, love, care, value, respect towards ourselves. Kasi as I've said, the way that you are treating yourself, loving yourself, valuing yourself and respecting yourself is how you're going to receive it from others, not the other way around. So what is the oracle guidance for you for this month, my dear Sagittarius? Oracle guidance for you this month. Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors, Oracle guidance. Whoa. So the oracle guidance for you this month is round and round. So might be you had been in patterns, you had been experiencing cycles. So this is the time for you to contemplate on what are the things that serves you no good. It's time for you to release people, situation, mindset that doesn't serve your highest good. It's time for you to reassess what are the patterns that you had been experiencing, repeating, what are the decisions and actions that you keep on doing. So this is the time for you to contemplate on that, my dear Sagittarius. Kasi you feel like you are not worthy, you are not good enough. Kung makikita mo yung energy nito, it's the same. Okay? You are acting out of fear, my dear Sagittarius. This is the time for you to get out of your head. Okay? Stop telling yourself that you are not worthy, you are not good enough, you are not pretty enough, you are not capable enough. You had to be the first one to like, love, respect, believe, and love the person that you are seeing in the mirror, which is you. Okay? So let's see what is the angel messages for you, my dear Sagittarius. Angel messages for my dear Sagittarius. Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors. Angel messages. So we have here two. I am diplomatic. You have great talent for finding solutions. Your intuitive and unbiased nature allow you to see all sides of your any situation and advise you towards the most fair and beneficial outcome. So this is the time for you to find peace, harmony, balance within yourself. With the two, this is intuition. It is time for you to trust your intuition. Trust the universe, trust the process. So remember, the important thing, my dear Sagittarius, is not the outcome, it's not the future, it's not the relationship, it's not the money, it's not the position. The important thing is the process. So everything that you're experiencing now, it's meant for you to experience to learn the lesson that is provided by every people, situation, mindset that doesn't serve your highest good. Okay, so what is your affirmation, my dear Sagittarius? What is your affirmation? What is your affirmation? So your affirmation, I am grateful for everything I have in my life and all that is on its way to me. So it's time for you to be grateful, thankful, contented of who you are, and what you currently have. The more that you are in this certain energy of being grateful, being thankful, the more that you are going to be abundant. Kasi the abundance that you're looking for, the happiness, the love, the care, the value, the respect that you are seeking is found within you. So this is what I got for your reading, my dear Sagittarius. If this happened to resonate with your situation, do give me a comment, like, and share this video. And don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell button for you to get notified of my latest updates here in my channel. And if you wanted to avail my services, tarot, coaching, and mentorship program, kindly go to my my Instagram or Facebook page, message me with the word tarot for tarot reading services, coach for coaching program or mentorship program. So, or kindly go to my website, www.anasantiago.coach. This is what I got for you. Sending you much love and light. Thank you so much.